You need a reliable partner you can trust when it comes to getting rid of waste. Introducing Motor City Disposal, your premier destination for dumpster rental in Warren, Michigan, and beyond. No matter the size of your project, Motor City Disposal has the perfect dumpster to handle it all. From residential cleanouts to commercial construction sites, we've got you covered. At Motor City Disposal, we're more than just a waste management company. We're your neighbors, dedicated to serving our community with integrity and professionalism. Our knowledgeable staff is dedicated to helping you find the right dumpster for your project and ensuring a seamless rental experience from start to finish. And it's not just about convenience, we're committed to environmental responsibility, too. We recycle whenever possible to minimize our impact on the planet. Worried about the cost? Don't be. Motor City Disposal offers competitive pricing and transparent billing, so you know exactly what you're paying for. Ready to rent a dumpster in Warren, Michigan? Call Motor City Disposal today at 586-842-2750 or visit us online at www.motorcitydisposal.com. Dumpster Rental Warren MI to reserve your dumpster now. Motor City Disposal, your trusted partner for all your dumpster rental needs in Warren, Michigan, and beyond.